I-Eskom ingaphasi kwegandelelo godu. I-Eskom ithome isigaba sesibili sokuqinteliswa kwegezi namhlanje ntambama ekuzokuhamba kube ngomgqibelo ekuseni. I-Eskom ithi ibone ukuthi iyadisibezeka begodu igcina ilahlekelwa igezi edlula ku-15,000 megawatts. Umphathi we-Eskom u-Andre Reiter uthi ukulahleka kwegezi bekungakalindelwa ngikho kukatelele ukuthi kube nehlelo lokuqinteliswa kwegezi.
To the loss of Medupi, Kendall and Duva units, we now have insufficient generation capacity at our disposal, and as such we have no alternative but to implement stage 2 load shedding from 2 o'clock this afternoon until 5 o'clock on Saturday morning, the 20th of November.
Ngelesibili I-Eskom imemezele ukuthi imtshini emihlanu ephehla igezi entetshini ezihlukahlukeneko ibhalulwe kusebenza ilanga lonke. Kanti umtshini munye osestetshini sekusile kubiko bona uyavuza. UDirector uthi konke lokhu kuyadanisa.
It is, however, disappointing that we have a new plant that is not performing as it should, and clearly that has that's indicative of the state of our new build plants, that they are not delivering as they should, and clearly that is part of the reason why we are facing significant constraints.
I-Eskom ithi inemiraro ngehlangothini lezosizo elihabako begodu ithi kunehonakalo yokuthi iphelelwe idizela naye iqale indlela esebenza msinya nekhamba ngakhona.